Good morning guys and welcome to another vlog. Another quick review tayo guys. Welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Shoutout nga pala kay Sir Jolo. Sir, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. So ang ating re-review ngayon guys, quick review lang tayo ng WEI Kappa T-Rex. Semi-automatic gas blowback airsoft pistol made in Taiwan. So ito yung kanyang box guys. WE brand, high kappa model T-Rex made in Taiwan, gas blowback. This is all black. Ayan guys, so may kasama siyang mounting plate para sa red dot optic. Ayan. Tapos magazine, 30 rounder magazine, metal mag, gas magazine. So ito yung unit. Naka-magwell na, stippled grip, ambidextrous manual safety, beaver tail. Tapos naka-fiber optic na siya guys. Ayan, naka-fiber optic rear sight, adjustable po yan. Tapos naka-fiber optic naman front sight. Ayan, with rear serrations and front serrations. Tapos meron siyang rail for flashlight. Yan, 2011 high kappa. Meron siyang markings dito, 0.45 ECP yan, sa barrel. Yan, disclaimer lang, this is just an airsoft, no? Yan. WE Technology Universal. Ayan, yung tatak mo sa slide. Yan. Kawit barrel na siya. 5.1 standard size. High kappa T-Rex. Okay. Load tayo ng gas, sir. Hirang inverted position po. Upside down, 3 to 5 seconds lang. Okay. Okay, testing po tayo. 2011 high kappa T-Rex. Solid. Okay, EPS testing using 23 grams, 0.23 grams na BBs, number 12 na gas. Firing 330.2, 323.0, 323.7, 325.7. Slide, release the magazine. Hammer down. 2011 high kappa T-Rex semi-automatic gas blowback airsoft pistol.